We're being asked which function decays exponentially. So first of all, let's talk about an exponential function. The standard form of an exponential function is y equals a times b to the x power. That's an exponential function. So how do we tell if it's a growth function versus a decay function? So this is asking us about decay. So let's look at that first. So decay, just to give you a little info here, a decay function, when you graph it, is going to look kind of like this. That's a decay function. And the way you know from looking at the equation if it's a growth or a decay is that for a decay, the b value, the value with the exponent, the base of the power, is between 0 and 1. So it's less than 1 and greater than 0. So that's the decay part. And then for the growth part, which they're not asking us about, but I just want to tell you that's an H, I promise. A growth function looks like this, an exponential growth. And for that, the b value is greater than 1. So this is asking us for decay. And so all we got to do is look at the b value and find a b value that's between 0 and 1. Now, a is not even an exponential function because x isn't an exponent. So the x has to be an exponent, and here it's just 1/5 times x. So this is actually a linear function, not even exponential. The same thing with b. That's not even a linear function. I mean, that's not an exponential function. It's also linear. C, okay, here we've got an exponential function, and D we have an exponential. So C and D are exponentials. On C, the b value is 5. That's greater than 1. So C is a growth function. So this one is growth. And then D, 1/5. I don't know what my H's. D, the 1/5, that's between 0 and 1. So this is my decay function. So the answer in this case is D. Great job. Keep it up, and you will master the math.